We welcome you to second round of Primary Amrita Fest 2020. Let us begin our program with the Dhyan Shloka and respected Principal Ma'am's keynote. Over to you, Ankita Ma'am.
Om Namah Shivaya. On behalf of the entire Amrita family, I, Chinmayamrita Chaitanya, the principal of the school, extend to you a hearty welcome. We proudly present before you ambassadors of hope, an array of inter-house competitions designed for staging the talent of the scholars of Amrita Vidyalayam. Using a virtual platform for hosting an event is new to us, and I thank all my children and their parents for their support and enthusiastic participation. I also take this opportunity to thank the honorable judges and wish the participants the very best. May the best team or performer win. Om Namah Shivaya.
Thank you so much, respected Principal Ma'am, for your words of wisdom. The theme for second round of Primary Amrita Fest 2020 is Ganesh Utsav. Let me tell you something about Lord Ganesha. Ganesha or Ganesh is the elephant-headed god in Hinduism. Hinduism states that Ganesha is a lord of wisdom, success, and good luck. He is also the giver of different types of favors. The Hindu tradition calls Ganesha as the Vignaharta. It is said that by worshipping Lord Ganesha, one can remove all obstacles or difficulties. We now begin with today's competitions. Fancy dress competition of grade 1 students. And to judge these competitions, we have amongst us Dr. Shweta Bhushan and Mrs. Shilpa Kapoor. Dr. Shweta Bhushan has been practicing and teaching calligraphy from past 15 years. A doctorate in psychology, she blends her counseling skills with calligraphy and help children with special needs increase their concentration and focus in academic and life situations. She is natural in connecting with children immediately and help them heal. We welcome you, ma'am, to this virtual Primary Amrita Fest 2020.
Thank you, ma'am.
Our next judge, our next judge is Mrs. Shilpa Kapoor. Ma'am is a postgraduate in economics with a bachelor's degree in education. She is an experienced talent acquisition consultant with over 14 years of experience working in the human resources industries. She has led the business research and quality assurance teams at various reputed organizations. She is skilled in HR consulting, talent acquisition, business and executive research. We welcome you, ma'am, to this virtual Primary Amrita Fest 2020.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Before we begin with our competitions, let me tell you the rules and regulations of this competition. Participants will dress up in costumes from any one character from the world of Lord Ganesha. Languages can be in Hindi or English. Duration is 2 to 3 minutes. The judgment criteria for this competition is voice modulation and articulation, expression and confidence, costume and props relevant to the theme, and overall presentation. I now call upon the first participant of grade 1, Nishta of Amritamai House. Nishta, please come on the screen, beta.
मैं पार्वती पुत्र गणेश अपने सभी भक्तों को आशीर्वाद देता हूँ। दिल से जो भी मांगोगे मिलेगा, ये गणेश का दरबार है। देवों के देव वक्रतुंड महाकाय को अपने हर भक्त से प्यार है। सिर्फ पार्वती का हूँ मैं आशीर्वाद, बुद्धि का देवता कहलाता। प्रियम मिष्ठान मेरा वाहन कहलाता। गणेश की ज्योति से नूर मिलता है, सभी के दिलों को सुरूर मिलता है। जो भी आता गणेश के द्वार, उससे कुछ ना कुछ जरूर मिलता है। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं गुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति
तीनों लोक में पूजा जाए, तीनों लोक में पूजा जाए, जगदम्ब का पुत्र कहाए। तीनों लोक में पूजा जाए, जगदम्ब का पुत्र कहाए।
Very nice. Very
That was a wonderful performance, Nishtha. Very well done. We move on to our next participant, Ananya of Anandmai House.
वक्रतुंडं महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा। ओम नमः शिवाय। आज मैं आपके सामने माता पार्वती के रूप में एक प्रस्तुति देने जा रही हूँ। मैं पार्वती भगवान शिव की पत्नी और गणेश व कार्तिकेय की माँ मेरे अनेकों रूप है। कभी माँ काली, कभी माँ गौरा और कभी माँ दुर्गा। आओ पुत्र गणू, मेरा पुत्र गणेश मुझे सबसे अधिक प्रिय है। मेरे पुत्र गणेश की तीनों लोकों में सबसे पहले पूजा होती है। मेरे पुत्र गणेश को मोदक बहुत प्रिय है। इस गणेश चतुर्थी के दिन मेरा पुत्र आप सबसे मिलने आ रहा है। आप सब उसके आने की तैयारी कीजिए। यदि मेरा पुत्र आप सबसे खुश हुआ तो मुझे भी बहुत खुशी होगी। माता पार्वती का प्यारा, शिव शंकर राज दुलारा, सबकी आंखों का तारा, नाम गजानन तुम्हारा। पुत्र गणू मोर्य, मंगल मूर्ति मोर्य। धन्यवाद।
Very
Beautiful performance, excellent performance, Ananya. Our next participant is Shranya of Chinmay House. Shranya.
सर्व मंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। मैं शिव पार्वती इस समस्त जगत की आधारभूता हूँ। मैं ही जगत एवं जगत नियंता हूँ। यहाँ पर धर्म की हानि होती है, तब तो मैं भिन्न भिन्न रूपों में अवतरित होकर धर्म की रक्षा करती हूँ। श्री ज्योति, दुर्गा, काली, शरण्या इत्यादि मेरी हनुमान स्वरूप है। भक्ति पूर्वक में जन्माए हुए हरि प्राणी का मैं अवश्य कल्याण करती हूँ। मेरी कामना है कि सभी प्राणी भक्ति एवं न्याय के मार्ग को अपनाए। कल्याणावस्तु। धन्यवाद।
That was an awesome performance.
very nice.
We now move on to our next participant, Alvira of Jyotirmay House. Alvira, Jyotirmay House.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि कदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीशनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय गणेशाय धीमहि।
Please. फोन यहाँ रख दो जाओ।
महाकाला सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। मैं प्रश्नेश्वर विनायक गजानन लंबोदर, मैं विघ्नहर्ता विघ्नों को लेता हूँ हर। मैं गणाध्यक्ष रिद्धि सिद्धि का पति गणपति। मैं हूँ लंबोदर क्योंकि मेरे उदर में बसती है समग्र सृष्टि चराचर। गज की शीश में है अपार ज्ञान और बुद्धि का भंडार। जो भी हमारी शरण में आता है वो मोदक की तरह मीठे फल पाता है। ओ माय फ्रेंड गणेशा, तुम रहना साथ हमेशा।
पंकजयोच सर्वांगी सुंदर सिंधुराची चक्की झळकी माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे माया कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगलमूर्ती मोरया. धन्यवाद.
Excellent performance, Alvira. Very well done. With this, we come to an end of Grade 1 Fancy Dress competitions. We now move on to Grade 2 Storytelling with Puppets competition. To judge these competitions, we have amongst us Dr. Shweta Bhushan and Mrs. Shilpa Kapoor. We welcome you, ma'am, to this Primary Amrita Fest 2020. The rules and regulations of these competitions are: language is only in English. Duration is 2 to 3 minutes. The judgment criteria is expression and confidence, pronunciation and clarity of speech, fluency and content, overall presentation. I now call upon the first participant, Aradhya of Amritamai House.
Om Namah Shivaya. I am Aradhya Nambyar of class 2nd C. Today I will present a story on Ganesha's wisdom. One day, Ganesha was enjoying the taste of his favorite modaks. Kartikeya came there and sees his brother Ganesha resting. Brother, come, let's play. No, brother, I have just eaten so many modaks. Now I am feeling sleepy. You are getting more lazy. No, I am more active and strong than you. While both argued, Narad Muni came there. Narayana, Narayana. He said that there is only one way to prove who's more strong. Whosoever completes total 3 rounds of the whole world wins. Both Ganesha and Kartikeya accept the challenge. They go to the starting point and start to race. Kartikeya flies on his peacock, but Ganesha greets his parents and starts to round around them 3 times. Everybody gets surprised. Narad Muni asks why he did not go. Ganesha told, all of the world situated in my parents to revolve around them is equal to revolve around the world. Ganesha had won the race using his wisdom. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.
Excellent performance. Excellent performance. Our next participant is Sidiksha of Anandmai House. Sidiksha.
Hi, I am Sidiksha. Today I am going to tell a story about Lord Ganesha. Let's start. Once on Ganesha's birthday, he ate lots of laddus and modak. Lord Ganesha's stomach became very large. When he was going back to home, on his mouse, the mouse saw a snake and ran away. Lord Ganesha fell down on the ground and his stomach, which was full, got burst. Seeing this, the moon started laughing loudly. Ha 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 ha! Lord Ganesha felt insulted and
Very well done, Sidiksha. Very well done. Now, our next participant is Alvina of Chinmay House. Alvina.
Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Alvina. Today I will tell you one Ganesha story. Hi, I am Ganesha and you probably see me everywhere. Do you know how I came to be? Well, let me tell you. Once upon a time, high in the Himalayas, my mother Parvati lived with her husband Shiva. One day, my mother sat down to make a sculpture of a boy. She carefully molded the clay and ended up making a cute little boy, chubby cheeks and everything. She decided to give it life, and this clay sculpture, me, came to life. Since my mother had gotten dirty from making me, she decided to take a bath. She told me to gather and not let any strangers in. I sat outside playing with the stick and minding my own business when a large man, blue and cool, came up to the hut. Not knowing who he was, I yelled, "Stop!" And he replied, "How dare you? I am Shiva." With that, he raised his shoes and swiped off my head. Hearing the noise, my mother came running out of the hut and shrieked, "What have you done to our son?" Because of boy she was in trouble, he promised my mother that he would find suitable help for the little boy. So he went to the forest and back in no time with the head of an elephant, which he fixed onto me. He then patted me and gave me blessings of prosperity and intelligence. Since then, I have many names like Vignaharta, Siddhivinayak, and Vakratunda. Now, the moral of the story is anger can cause harm to near and dear ones, and it is important to rectify our mistakes. Thank you all.
Wonderfully performed, Alvina. Very well done. Our next participant is Astha from Jyotirmay House.
Narayan, Narayan, I'm Narad. Today I will tell you a story on how Parvati taught a lesson to Ganesha. It was a beautiful day in Kailash. The garden in Kailash was wonderful with colored flowers. Ganesha came there. How boring! There's no one to play with me. What to do? Suddenly, he saw a cat coming. Ah! I have got a companion to play with. He got hold of the cat and dropped it in a pool of mud again and again. Ganesha was amused, but cat's whole body was covered with mud. The cat mewed piteously. Now you can go free, said Ganesha. The cat ran away. It's quite some time I'm out in the garden. Let me go to the mother. When he reached Parvati's, he was horrified. Parvati's lovely garments, her face, her hands, and her hair all were covered with mud. Ah, I cannot tolerate this pain. I cannot, said Parvati. Ganesha asked, Mother, what has happened to you? Who had done this to you? Tell me so that I may punish him. My dear son, forget it, said Parvati. No, Mother, tell me, Ganesha said. Who can do this to me except you, my son? It was you, no one else but you. Ganesha was stunned. Me? No, Mother, I could never do a thing to hurt you. Parvati repeated, It was you, my son. Didn't you catch me, hold me in your grip, and pull me by the tail, and drop me in mud again and again? As she spoke, Ganesha remembered the cat he had tormented weeks ago. He realized what his mother was trying to tell. Pardon me, mother, I'm very sorry. Now I know that you dwell in all forms and body. I was wrong to hurt that poor cat. It was like hurting you. I promise you, my beloved mother, that hereafter I shall never hurt any living being again. Parvati smiled and she became beautiful as before. Thank you.
Very well done, Astha. Very well done. With this, we come to an end of Grade 2 Storytelling with Puppets competitions. All the children had performed very well. A big thank you to all of them. We now move on to Grade 3 competitions. Over to you, Meenakshi ma'am.
Om Namah Shivaya, everyone. Thank you, Aarti ma'am. On behalf of Amrita family, I, Meenakshi Dua, once again extend a warm and hearty welcome to all of you present here. May I now make you all familiar with the rules of today's competition. Ganesh Utsav, monodrama for grade 3. So the rules are here. Everybody should mute themselves and keep their audios off during the other performances. The performance should not exceed the time limit given. The language of the act should only be in English. Final selection of the students will be done on the following criteria: voice modulation and articulation, expression and confidence, relevance to the theme, costume and props, overall presentation. I now call upon the first participant of grade 3 from Amritamai House, Arav Singh. Over to you, Arav. Please join us on the screen. Arav, switch on your video and your audio. We can't see you. Arav, if you could hear me better, please switch on your audio and your video. I think there is some network issue. We can move on to the next participant. Next participant is from Anand Mai House, Meher Agarwal. Meher, can you join us on the screen?
Om Namah Shivaya, one and all. My name is Meher Agarwal. I study class 3B. Today I am going to present a role play of Ganesha from the story of Lord Ganesha and the Moon. I hope you all will like it. So let's get started. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Mangal Mukta. छोटू गणेशा देखता मस्ती में ये हमेशा छोटू गणेशा
गणेशा रहता मस्ती में ये हमेशा मोदक लड्डू खाए गोल मीठे मीठे इसके बोल मोदक लड्डू खाए गोल मीठे मीठे इसके बोल झुझु गणेशा रहता मस्ती में ये हमेशा. Wow, what a feast! I love eating that food. I can't eat anymore. Come on, dear, let's go. Have I become so heavy that you can't walk properly? Why are you tripping? Oh, Cobra! Ah! What are you doing? Why are you scared of this poor creature?
What a sight it was.
Hey, Moon, why are you laughing at me? Stop it! How dare you? Have to pay for it.
Ah! My light! My light is dying!
Now you have seen my anger. Slowly and slowly, the light will hit him and fail.
Please forgive him. Please give Chandra his brightness back. The world will be lost without it. You must restore his light. Please. The world needs it. Chandra must shine in the sky.
Because you are asking me to forgive and that must shine in the sky. I will forgive you, but not shine bright and full all the year round. This brightness goes slowly and then fade away. Oh, only for just one night. You will hold it. You are really proud of your beautiful light, isn't it? But anyone looks at you this night will be lame and cursed, even though it. Now onwards, no pious minutes. Look at the moon on Ganesh Chaturthi, fear of my curse. Thank you and Om Namah Shivaya.
Thank you, Meher. That was a wonderful performance. Once again, we'll go back to Arav Singh of Amrita Mai House. Arav, can you join us on the screen now?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you.
Krishna! Oh Krishna! Look what happened to the entire Vrindavan! Krishna, help us! Oh dear, what happened? Krishna, you asked us to worship Govardhan and not Lord Indra. Now Lord Indra is punishing us. Help us, Krishna, help us! Oh dear, don't worry. I am there for you. Indra thinks himself to be the Lord of the three worlds. It is not good for anyone to be proud of his position. I shall show him now how I
Thank you and Om Namah Shivaya.
Thank you, Arav. That was a power-packed performance. I wonder how would you have lifted that thing. Great. Next, we have Athar Dikshit from Chinmay House. Athar, can you join us on the screen?
Listen, my son. It's time for my bath and I'm going inside today. I want you to stand by the door and until I give you instructions, you must not let anyone enter. I see fish, Mother. Forgive me, my lord, but I cannot allow you to enter.
My dear
I am
Lord,
complete son.
why do you prevent me to enter in the palace?
And I am following my mother's strict orders. She has told me that unless she tells me, I am not to allow anyone to enter the house.
Gauri sir, those instructions are not applicable for me because I am Gauri's husband Shiv Shankar. Now step aside and let me pass.
Certainly not. Unless I receive orders from my mother, I cannot let anyone pass through.
Don't be upset, my dear boy. Move out of the way.
That is not possible.
Look, you have no idea how else you can move out of the way or the consequences won't be good.
My husband has killed my beloved son. I want my son back, alive.
Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. Thank you and Om Namah Shivaya.
Thank you, Athar. That was a great performance. Last but not the least, we have Anushri Maibam from Jyotirmay House. Anushri, join us on the screen, please.
Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Anushri Maibam. I study in class 3rd B. Today I am going to play the role of Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya. Arey Ganesha, you have such a big stomach and you travel the little mouse, but I travel on a peacock and it is very beautiful. Arey Kartikeya, I love my mom the way it looks like. Look at your peacock. It is so thin and it looks like a stick. Ha ha ha! So let's find out whose source of travel is much better. Let's circle the earth and see who is the winner. Arey Ganesha, I will complete this race around the earth flying on my peacock.
Lord Ganesha is taking bath to meet his parents riding on the little mouse.
You are my Oh, where is my brother Kartikeya? He has not come yet. I have encircled the earth because my parents are my world to me. Thank you.
Ganpati Papa Moria. Ganpati Papa Moria.
That was beautifully expressed, Anushri. Thank you, dear participants. You all performed so well today. I am really falling short of words. We are all so proud of you. You all have proved that nothing can stop you from showcasing your talent, not even this pandemic. Now, I would like to request our esteemed judge, Dr. Shweta Bhushan ma'am, to share a few words of encouragement for us dear students. Over to you, ma'am.
Om Namah Shivaya, ma'am. I actually did not expect that it is going to be so good. Children, you all performed so well, and I really congratulate you and well done. All very well done. It was a very nice idea to do this Ganesha Utsav thing, because nowadays children otherwise don't know about our Puranic kathas and stories and all. So thank you, ma'am, for coming up for this contest. And I want to mention that Anushri, I was actually hoping that someone will perform in like both characters, and you just fulfilled my wish. Thank you so much. I was just hoping that someone will think about this, that you can perform all the two characters by yourself. So thank you so much. I will not take much time. I know students are waiting for the result, and it's been late. Thank you so much. It was very nice to be here, and looking forward for many such other festivals.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your words of wisdom. May I also request our next eminent judge, Ms. Shilpa Kapoor, to motivate our students.
First of all, I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to everyone present here, to the entire team for inviting me to judge this show. I'm really honored to be part of this grand celebration here. And as ma'am rightly said, nothing can stop the bundle of talents, They showcase so well, and I was totally carried away by their performances. Everyone gave their best shot, and I say all of you were really, really excellent. So keep shining, keep smiling. Oh, God bless you all.
Thank you, Shilpa ma'am, for encouraging our dear students. With this, we come to an end of today's competition. It was indeed very delightful to watch such talented students perform with such perfection and confidence. The result of the competition would be announced later on. Now, I would request our primary coordinator, Trupti ma'am, to propose a vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am.
Namaskar, everyone.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar. Children, you all performed so well. Do you know it's raining here outside? So I was just thinking that even God is with you all. He's showering his blessings. Right? I hope it's raining there as well.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes,
right.
ma'am.
So see, God is also with all of us, isn't it? So congratulations to all the participants. You all did so well, so well. Okay. So now let me start my vote of thanks. Namah Shivaya, everybody. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our divine mentor, Mata Amritanandamayi Devi. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this event happen. And I would like to thank Lord Ganesha for making this event a resounding success. With his blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. A special mention to our respected principal, Brahmacharini Chinmaya Amrita Chaitanya ji, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and is always standing as pillar of strength. I also thank our Vice Principal, Mrs. Jhumur Chakravarti, for inspiring us, and the Activity Coordinator, Mrs. Mallika Bhattacharya ji, for her continuous support and encouragement. On behalf of the school management, I would like to thank our esteemed judges, Mrs. Shilpa Kapoor and Dr. Shweta Bhushan, for being with us today on this virtual platform. We are grateful for the gift of your time and feel elevated by your presence. Ma'am, indeed your words have inspired these little Amritians today. I also thank all the parents for being with us today, and I really appreciate your devotion of time and effort. Without your support, children would have not achieved excellence. Thank you for being key players in our success story. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank loving teachers for their untiring efforts. I am short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. I also thank the technical team who you may not have seen on the screen but are involved in making this event happen. And finally, I would like to thank all our budding rock stars that made this event joyful with their impressive performances. Your days of hard work was evident in this act. All the programs were very good, and every one of us have enjoyed this a lot. Thank you, and Om Namah Shivaya.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for encouraging our children. I once again thank our esteemed judges who have taken out time from their busy schedule to grace this event. Your presence was quite encouraging for our young Amritans. I would also like to thank once again our principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, pre-primary and primary coordinators, students and their mentors for their resolute efforts in putting up this grand show on the virtual platform. Let us all now rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all once again. May Amma bless us all. Stay home, stay safe. Om Gan Ganpataye Namah. All the students are requested to leave the classroom. The results will be announced later on and will be informed to you.
You can leave the meeting, beta, all of you. All the participants can leave.
I think they all have left now. No? Students have left.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Is there any? No, I don't think there is any.